I'm Roger with Lion Technology, and welcome to a very special edition of Lion Now. This week, we're giving you an update on new rules and regulations coming next year for hazardous materials, environmental, and safety professionals. A quick note to Lion members, we put together a special bulletin for you that covers the relevant upcoming changes. You can head to lion.com to see that full alert. Before we get to the news, we have a new course announcement to make. Lion has now launched a 40-hour HazWhopper online training for general site workers at hazardous waste cleanup sites. Check out lion.com/HazWhopper for the full catalog of initial and refresher HazWhopper courses for both cleanup workers and emergency responders. Effective training is critical to prepare and protect these workers who deal with hazardous substances on the job. Now, let's check in on what's coming for industry pros in 2019. For hazmat shippers, DOT has new regulations planned to address oil spills on railways, update the standards for DOT specification cylinders, and bolster the restrictions for shipping lithium batteries by air. Other new hazmat rules include our regularly scheduled harmonization rulemaking to align DOT's hazmat rules with new international requirements that take effect January 1, 2019, and the continued incorporation of hazmat special permits into the 49 CFR regulations. Hazardous waste professionals should keep an eye on new rules coming in 2019 too, including streamlined standards for managing hazardous waste pharmaceuticals, the addition of aerosol cans to the Universal Waste Program, and modernized test methods for ignitable liquids. If you're responsible for safety compliance, you should know that OSHA has proposed another update to its Hazard Communication or HazCom standard. That will bring it up to date with the latest edition of the Globally Harmonized System for Classifying and Labeling Chemicals, or GHS. OSHA is preparing to remove reporting provisions added in 2016 that require large employers to electronically submit detailed injury and illness data from OSHA Forms 300 and 301. Other new safety rules headed our way include new fit testing protocols for respirators, more revisions to the general industry rules for employee beryllium exposure, and updates to the 29 CFR standards for forklifts and lockout-tagout. That is a lot of information to digest. You can head over to Lion News to get the details on any of these new rules planned for 2019. We'll be keeping an eye on them and providing updates as they move closer to completion, so subscribe to Lion News to make sure you don't miss anything. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next week with more news for environmental, safety, and hazmat professionals.